What if I told you that turning 50 doesn't have to mean losing muscle, energy, and your independence? Because the truth is, most people don't weaken because of age, but because of what's on their plate. Picture this, two people the same age, one struggles to get out of bed, the other, hiking mountains at 90. What's the difference? Diet, routine, and ancient wisdom. In this video, you'll discover that while many try to fight sarcopenia with isolated supplements and processed products, there are 5 foods Buddhist monks have used for centuries to stay strong, energized, and mobile, even past 100. And the 5th food? It's a little-known powerhouse that could change everything for your aging body. Stick around and watch this video to the end, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to eat like a monk, without living in a monastery. Let's talk sarcopenia, the silent muscle thief. Around age 50, your body starts losing lean muscle mass. Quietly, gradually. You don't notice it until one day stairs feel steeper, groceries feel heavier, and your balance feels off. But here's the twist, it's not inevitable. You can reverse it. And monks have been doing it for centuries, with these 5 foods. They trust nature and the simplicity of what has worked for centuries. Number 1. Spinach, the green guardian. More than a leafy green, spinach is sacred in Buddhist tradition. Why? Because it doesn't just nourish, it heals. Packed with iron, magnesium, potassium, vitamin C, and especially vitamin K, spinach strengthens bones, repairs tissue, and boosts muscle function. It is a reverence of a living medicine not just for what it delivers, but for the gentleness with which it delivers. And that is one of the greatest secrets of spiritual longevity, to nourish without harming. Another powerful point is digestibility. As the years go by, the body loses part of its ability to digest denser foods, and this is where spinach shines. It is easily digested, quickly absorbed, and does not burden the digestive system, which means more energy left over for what really matters. It's light, anti-inflammatory, and perfect for aging digestion. It keeps the body upright, firm, and strong. That's why older monks use it as the base of many meals. It sustains without weighing down, regenerates without demanding too much. A food with this profile is gold for anyone who wants to age with strength and lightness. At the same time, if you feel you need a reliable, simple, and accessible starting point, spinach is your best first choice. You can simmer it in broths and stews, you can steam it, sauté it, blend it into smoothies, or just eat it raw. Just 1 cup a day can start turning things around. But remember, it's only the beginning. There are still 4 more foods ahead, each working on different levels of the body and vitality. Also remember that the 5th food, the last one, is the most powerful of all, the one that helps the body stay active even after 90. Sesame, the silent strengthener. Tiny seed, massive power. Sesame small, discreet, almost invisible on the plate, but absolutely essential for those who want to strengthen the body without causing toxicity. Especially black sesame, which is loaded with calcium, iron, magnesium, and healthy fats that fuel muscle-building hormones. It's a natural joint protector, bone builder, and energy booster. It is considered one of the most complete foods to support muscles, joints, and bones, especially after age 50. When the body begins to lose not only muscle mass but also elasticity and resilience, this is exactly where sesame comes in as a true silent repairer. If you frequently consume sesame, you will have more energy upon waking, fewer joint pains, and greater endurance in long walks and intense physical activities. Just 1 spoonful a day used well, and always with a repeated principle that less is more. Consumed raw, lightly toasted as a paste tahini, or mixed into rice soups and cooked vegetable, can nourish the body with more strength than an entire meal eaten on autopilot. Another important point is that sesame is a source of natural antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress, which is one of the main causes of premature aging and muscle loss. By adding this seed to your routine, you will strengthen the body from the inside out. This is base energy that is silent yet firm, a strength that sustains the body for decades. Consuming these foods, you will continue walking with vigor even at 90 or 100 years old. What goes on your plate builds what remains. If you feel you're losing strength, that your structure is weakening, or that your body no longer responds as it used to, sesame may be the subtle but powerful reinforcement you were missing. This food is called the mineralizer, so feed your body from the inside out, consume it, and your body will thank you. The journey continues. The next food is even more direct. It activates both physical and spiritual energy at the same time. You don't need caffeine. Start your day with ginger. This simple and aromatic root is present in almost every kitchen. For what it awakens in the body, ginger is known as the root that awakens. This spicy root boosts circulation, boosts the energy of muscles and joints, wakes up the metabolism and floods the body with clean, vital energy. After 50, it's common for the metabolism to slow down, digestion becomes slower, blood flow weakens, blood circulates with less force and muscle recovery takes longer, and this is exactly where ginger comes in. Masterfully it warms, cleanses. Its thermogenic effect naturally speeds up the metabolism, helping the body to burn toxins, reduce inflammation in tissues and activate energy centers. It's as if it tells the body, wake up, we still have a journey to walk. That message gives tired muscles and stiff joints new life beyond its activating power. Ginger also improves nutrient absorption, which is crucial for those who want to preserve muscle mass and maturity. There's no point in eating well if the body doesn't absorb. Ginger acts as a digestive facilitator, allowing vitamins, minerals, and proteins to be used better. Ginger can be used in infusions, broths, cooked vegetables, soups, and it can even be mixed with rice. Add it to tea. Grate it into meals. A little goes a long way, especially if your energy's been in a slump. In Eastern tradition, it's common to consume ginger first thing in the morning on an empty stomach in small doses to light the inner fire. This fire for Buddhist monks represents vital energy, the force that drives not only muscles but also thoughts, emotions, and discipline. It's this force that keeps the body from giving in to time. If you feel your energy is low, your circulation is sluggish, or your body responds slowly to your intentions, ginger may be the missing boost. But this journey is not over yet. The next food is one of the most used in spiritual retreats, and it carries the energy of reconstruction in the diet of Buddhist monks, where everything has a reason. Nothing is chosen just for flavor. Everything serves a spiritual and physical function, and among the most symbolic and powerful fruits for those who want to preserve strength and maturity. Prunes, the body's natural cleanser. Sweet, humble prunes aren't just for digestion, they're rebuilders. Seen as a food of deep purification and renewal of vital energy when we talk about healthy aging, firm muscles, and body recovery. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, C, K, and B complex, they protect muscles, restore bones, and purge inflammation. More importantly, they clean the gut, so your body actually absorbs nutrients. 2 prunes a day. That's it. That's enough to change how your body rebuilds itself. The food that comes next is even more special. The 5th food is the most powerful of all. It is what sustains monks who live to 110 years old and keeps their bodies upright, even when age no longer matters. Among all the foods consumed by the most long-lived Buddhist monks, there is one that not only nourishes, but it teaches the body to resist. I know that you find this video informative so far, and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So, go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Now for the most powerful of all, This is the secret of 100-year-old monks with iron grip strength and clear minds. Lotus seeds. These ancient superfoods contain 24 grams of high-quality protein per 100 grams. Packed with magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and antioxidants, they rebuild muscle, reduce inflammation, and balance blood sugar. They're light, clean, nourishing. Monks consume them during fasts and spiritual retreats. Think of them as strength in seed form, the fuel that sustains both body and spirit. So what now? Knowing the right foods is only the beginning. Real change comes from consistent use. You don't need to move into a monastery, just start simple. Add spinach to a meal, sprinkle sesame over rice, sip ginger tea, eat a prune or two, try lotus seeds. Start with one, build from there. Because the secret to aging with strength is how you live, how you eat, and how you honor your body. Drop a comment in the comment section below saying, "I choose to take control of how I age." Also let us know where you are watching from. This will give us an idea of how far this educational information has reached. And remember, the body isn't just a machine, it's a reflection of what you do, how you feel, and what you feed it. Feed it well, move with intention, and watch how strength returns. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video to get access to more informational and educational videos like this one. Remember to give this video a like and also subscribe. Make a commitment to the growth of our channel. Your journey to powerful aging begins today. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.